Blue Ants here. Today I'm gonna celebrate the new Tier 3 raid boss from the Ice monsters. It's Jynx. Out of the any other Tier 3 Ice raid boss, this one is the hardest one. Yeah, it has really high attack stat. It makes it very difficult glass cannon. Yeah, in this lineup, my first monster is Golem. This one has Rock Throw and Rock Blast. Rock Throw and Stone Edge. Yeah, this one is Stone Edge. It release. Yeah, the second Stone Edge. Alright, the second one is a Tyranitar with Bite and Stone Edge. Yeah, both deal super effective damage on Jynx. What is Jynx moveset? Is that a Psycho Shock? Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Alright. I think this Tyranitar would be the elephant in the room in this lineup because it has really high attack stat and also the highest CP from any other monster in this lineup. I think that was the third Stone Edge from this Tyranitar, and he is painted. Yeah, the next one is Aggron. This one has Heavy Slam. Yeah, Aggron's attack stat is not that good, but on the other hand, its defense is really impressive. Yeah, both of his attack, the fast move and the charge move, deal super effective damage against Jynx. But the damage is not very big, not very much, because as I said before, its attack is not as good as its defense. Right, and the third one is Golem. This one with Rock Blast and Rock Throw and Rock Blast. The Rock Blast has 3 bars, so it'll be charged really fast. Yeah, the energy will be charged really fast. And it can shoot more frequently. I think he has managed to inflict 6 rock blasts. The next one is Flareon with Flamethrower. Yeah, it's pretty funny because fire attack deals super effective damage against ice too. Right, we'll be finish the fight soon. Yeah, that's the end of the fight against Tier 3 Jynx. As I said, it's compared to Azumarill and Piloswine, this one is more difficult. And maybe if you've seen my previous video in Accelerating Cloister, I'm using almost the same lineups. It's just I replaced Raikou with Aggron, and the rest of the monster in the lineup are the same. Right, I'll try to catch. Oh no! Oh god, yeah. And to rush and throwing the ball. Yep. Oh no, that's not nice or great or excellent, but I think, oh yeah, I managed to catch it with not a good throw. Yeah. So I guess Accelerating Jynx is really fun in the battle, but not that fun in catching. Oh, see, win 100 raids. That's the number of raids that I did. Pretty low number, right? Alright, that was my Celebrate in Jynx. I'll see you soon in another video. Thanks for watching. This is Blue Ants.